Hi everyone, it's Alita. Today I will be solving a problem on LeetCode called Add Two Numbers. It is considered a medium level question and it involves linked lists. So it says that you are given two non-empty linked lists representing two negative integers. The digits are stored in reverse order and each of their nodes contain a single digit. Add the two numbers and return it as a linked list. You may assume the two numbers do not contain any leading zero except the number 0 itself. So here they give us an example with the input of a linked list and another linked list added together with the output, and they give us this output. And the explanation for this is that 342 plus 465 give us 807. So notice how the linked list contains the number for our solution in reverse order and also the numbers in our input in reverse order. So to solve this problem, I would have to traverse the two linked lists at the same time and add the values starting from the head, because that will give me the least significant digits. Then I will have to see if those values give me a value less than 10 or a value greater than 10. If it's a value less than 10, I can just add it to my result linked list. And if it's a value greater than 10, then I will have to carry over like I did here, because 4 plus 6 is 10. So I will add the remainder into the result linked list and carry over a 1. And then I would continue traversing the list and adding the items together, the two nodes. And once I finish with that, I will return my result linked list. Okay, now I'm going to code it out. I'm going to set the dummy sum to the list node of 0, or any number really. And then I'm going to set the current to point to the dummy sum so I can return it later. And now I'm going to set the carry to 0 so I can track it. And then I will loop through the two linked lists while they're not none. And so I will set the first value, 1, to the value of L1. So it would be 0 if L1 is none. Otherwise, it would be L1, the value of L1. And same goes for L2. I'll set it to V2. And I'll give it the value of L2. Now I need to find the sum. And the sum would be the sum of these two numbers and the carry. The carry right now is 0, but it's going to be the sum divided by 10. So if the sum is greater than or equal to 10, the carry is going to be 1. And if the sum is less than or equal to 10, the carry is going to be 0. And I will also get the temp sum, which is going to be a list node of the sum mod 10. So we get the value. If it's less than or equal, if it's less than 10, then it wouldn't really matter. It would just be that sum that we already had. But if it's greater than 10, we will get the second digit. So now we're going to add the temp sum into current.next. And we're going to move current forward. And we'll do the same with the two linked lists. So if the linked list is not none, we'll move it forward. Same goes for L2. So now we're almost done. After we loop through both of the linked lists, we have to see if the carry is greater than 0, and if it is, that means that we have to add it to our current.next and add the list node of whatever the carry was, which it will always be 1. So yeah, after that I will return the dummy sum next. And let's try and run that code and see if it gives us the right answer. And so it does. It gives us 7, 0, and 8 inside of the linked list, which equates to 807. which is the sum of 342 and 465 in our input. So yeah, this is the solution for adding two numbers with LinkedLists. I hope you enjoyed this approach. I hope you enjoyed watching it and you understood the solution. And thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.